Hello guys and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I will be showing you how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings in Roblox. So if I tap on this game uh, and I tap on the green button, it says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So that means it is restricted and I can't play it because of the parental controls. So in order to play this game, what you want to do is you want to tap on more, scroll down, tap on settings, tap on parental controls, and then what you want to do is you want to change the settings for allowed experiences. So for the game, uh, you want to pick a higher age. So you can pick 17 plus. So you need to verify your age. In order to do that, tap on verify my age, and then you need to prepare a valid ID in order to confirm your age. After verifying the my identity, so go back, and then tap on the age. So I'm gonna pick 17 plus, and then you want to type in the PIN number. Tap on unlock, and there you go. So if I go back, tap on home, and the curse. As you can see here, I can now play the game. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.